Alright, shukrani kabisa nande karibu mwanchu shukrani kabisa na tebinga anko batulegeiga no mogeni ya studio sentunda yende nsameiga ya gata tojetu ni Getembe kero tukwaligania mwalimu none other than mwalimu Julius Nyakwara na juro te yuma lietande na bwati litalia eka lia bene lilia maseko sana hata hivyo ngana good morning karibu sana bado netu ni Getembe with us Geoffrey Onsarigo Matildah Obaigwa no alegeiga omogeni tukiriga ase studio so welcome kabisa ndo chigaiga Matildah litilia muchanda sana ngwaliro kababa
anjo tekereria asijira yabone karibu sana siseme gaturigireria mangana ayechiseme Mr. Julius.
Yes madam,
karibu sana wanyara kusangana mwanchu murigire no motegereria Getembe FM na boigo Getembe TV nake nabonda bolingana kiota ya school
alitaka ntikamtoringa kiakuru kwera nini
ngochinge school bari
no tumanyinga ngakiana ke otarie school chisechi ayo turikonyoro
thank you so much samariza ngoro ku Julius Nyakwara
yes
aina ara marieta ya yekibanda ngorire mushara akina ara ngorire tauni
yes
ngoro kunga amache papa
of course amache papa nera tonera ga bono mambia nigutega Nyakwara basweti aka amache papa why take na ringi school actually nobody gukonyoru muntu tabati nickname then you have a problem Uko muntu ale nickname unabona Matildah nickname ya untu jude nyanya niliye
and you know this nickname is funny because it came again as Nyakoiba then high school around 2010 kuna go train ya wana fala boyga alafu mbaga dak instructions na wadenga machaina lensi sana
mulenze
mukia machaigoro bagandenga
amache papa
amachaya then now later on because ya interest ya siasa nkaire ya Raila batimatera ko kubaba njenga dabona ngo irali papa ya Roma
okay
and that's how I became
amache papa all right
omwari muwege songo
yamanyete bono tindi omoro kiwogo ngoroka amache papa astay yo chikongaka biboko
you see okay tawo waka because nicknames are exempted ama lietukuru kushikoga nicknames
and actually the nicknames let me now tell you why a nickname erengi yakobwa the original
of course
Raila Odinga Raila kana kuja siasa jete na nyundo agacha na hama yani enigma agacha baba bono everything our current president
of course
very many nicknames
you see nicknames are really important actually you're gonna get out umurali Matildah uyu muswati tenere na atatu nickname yakatima ya
osenko mwande
nchemba ntuma maitenga njuru mwana buliroba you see the son of soil nchemba mayinu mwana buliroba bono naera kote yali nickname yae
Mr. Julius karibu sana
thank you so much
Matildah bale baboete abali mubesabu nabo tumanyanga muri mukiyogosomya ari Nyambururu nche ngosomye gesongo omwali mwege songo and actually I can proudly say I am the best teacher. Wow.
You know why? Ask me why.
Ask you.
Amate mwayaret Nyambururu in Nyanza region to abate gesongo number 3 ang magre chinko because number 1 team number 1 ya enge Maranda boys ya what they mean ya 10.1 in English. School number 2 ya renga Sombi girls ya what they mean ya 10.0. School number 3
ninu
Nyambururu girls
ninu
omole mwege songo
oliogosomi ekenyamorero I mean ya 9.863 asembwa the GA plane 61 GA minus
congratulations
112 which meant the Kisii county this go just oja mjikire Nyamururu I'm telling you
igo amache papa
the best one
the only one ni goro bali mubwege songo lakini nikine mubwate ramache tarimangana karibu sana sinchira
bono ekerto mwalimu Julius karibu sana
asante sana
English teacher
of English
for more than 15 years
Actually 17 years.
17 years.
Yes.
Because
I taught
okay,
for 2 years and trained.
Because Karogu kwa na bani class in Kenya was in 2010. A long time ago.
Many years ago.
Yeah.
Many years ago.
I think emyaka eyo boniga abanafunzi baga bangiba nande ngokora muri mirimo nabarabo.
Taringa kora tore abange wana banene bane. I have students who have gone abroad. I have engineers. Actually, I am proud of.
But I have a friend Mogoso Minere to alingenere class.
Jared Obueri.
Ngote.
He gave me
Jared actually is my schoolmate and other classmate. That guy actually I know he's a Kiswahili teacher.
I know.
He was my
department because that is a routine.
Okay.
And my colleague singer.
Oh, mwalimu Jared Obueri, good morning sir, asante. Oli wale ni watu wa kusema kuntu kabisa. Mambo ya misamiati.
Well, pia last year but one they were Kenya one.
Yeah.
Kiswahili Kenya ngima.
That's great.
2024 Nyamira was number 1.
I know.
With a mean of 11.2. Last year they also had 10.2. It's a very good department.
Yes. Education system in Kenya. Nige keke sana chisemi chia change. Togatwali system wenyi.
Parule 844.
Parule 844.
132
Ayamuno mwalimu.
Ncheuna mache.
Abayibuli bakuligire ti omwanafunzi na intuna barali.
Yes.
What's your take on this? The transition from 844, what is going on in the education system?
In one word,
yes,
there is confusion.
Yes.
Sababu, we were told in the new system, ndobuati paperwork, ndobuati matemu, and we expect to have new things, new way of thinking, but ndobuati systems, but we don't have books. Yes, but we have students in school.
And you're teaching?
Curriculum, terasha, in place. We only have a trial curriculum. So, unantuwana tutara the experience yoga somea na junior.
Oh yes.
When they have come to senior school,
oh yes,
they are teething problems. You can see them, but as a teacher, you have to teach and give instructions. So, like the firstborns are in the one of CBE. Until and unless the government provide every time. Like for instance, in my school, we have almost 1,000 students.
Yes.
These 1,000 students, the government has given us textbooks, but they are not enough. And if a parent wants to buy, Kuru bookshop,
yes.
So they have to share the. Nando might go na bambaga so meguna bari 844 na inumwa so mantuguna Matildah. Bari baga nene we karanza iga ba discuss ayokuba guide. We don't.
It's just
them.
Group work.
Basically, one bako nyuka collaboration.
Oh yeah.
Tenga bintu bilitu alegote no mwalimu wako achi notes. Yeah. So bono ngakibo no kuba so amiga efitabu mbi. There is a technicality, but then so far so good. They are being handled.
Mbona sana Mr. Julius, yes, andake okwa naona ebitabu mbisa ini.
Yes.
Emere moyo nsi ya nyore go learning areas nchonsi cha nyore richi textbook kurwa se serikali.
I can even tumia example because the only school I can talk about is Nyamira.
Yes.
The books have come twice. Biachire bibere, ani chintunda ibere.
Chinsema na kabi. Biachire chintunda ibere ya.
Ibere.
Yeah.
Initially bagacha bitabu around 20 something and bahaje bakamemba. Lakini bado nevike or learning areas beyond PR. Kere subject. Ebirevike. But I think ebirevika sinje andaka tubata na busia wangi.
Kose andake publishers osonyore nge serikali itia manyete the exact number. Okay.
Akibono.
Omuchando nora rase okuligera.
madam ko bata wana bago kero kwala ko bokima
ko be ko leso ko isaile
Sepanyole
Choma mochonara serikali.
amanene because abana
Gombe kama gona iwancha ko bainchara
nayo ko baincha
of course
so we solely blame the government lakini government abana bayo man kusinere ya pro sitin sari ka baletaga by the end of the day they will bring the books do it
yeah
Na mbia muno sana mwakorerwa kusema biri mwakorerwa retooling exercise estimating akiro kino gikwanire ko abarimu bari babere bagosomye system enkoro ya 844 gocha 2633 ingaki andake mwa transition ya biri asense mwe no inubuna borokia
Abunanja, I was the last one to be retooled. It was very
yes. Umeteka bwana mwe class na hadi mwasomi kupia.
Ndio class actually ngasoma ngono mwanafunzi ona. Akamaga ndengo medo mwali mwana ibintu biri mu watu somete ona bionjokire. So tukagenda actually our center ya Renge Cardinal in the month of this December last year. The system is totally different. Yani bintu bitu abasomi ndari biro.
Yeah.
Every ngao and bonongo tayo no na abana na ngao sana. Honestly na ngao sana. Yani madabana bari bakare ekwale ko bakire gento. Yani twagoranga bare mbuti. Lakini bona bambabu at the substance because baachire na masingira gete bale kugambansa. Insamba that we are going to musingi onsaro because they have been there for some time. Musingi no kala no bono igura ababono to buat the new experience with the new challenges na ande bona bali patara bali tool the bonds because they still to are tooling mutenyo kana erute go chigocha in a few days from now. Bono the new syllabus etokonyirani every day. I can tell you.
You are teachers, but still you are learning.
You teach as you learn.
Oh my goodness.
And then, it's more flexible. If you become rigid, the students must also guide you because imbalibo sa. Madam imbalibo sa.
Igelia machaga imukigoro uiko.
Bana imbalibo sa. Bana mbaso mete. Ani ebintu biriyo ko basomi. Ayo go advance okomenta because in the mabikolete won to go chuta ko mandengo mate mbakolete okuba mentera na ande barora ngaki e komenta no manyete no bakote one gento bari fani te ankonera baitu na boko kwana tengo mwalimu wara wachire isikuka
mwalimu, you see, this is a new system.
Yes.
I say no more yabanyoli muri meremo. Na demo are comfortable ngamono you are a teacher, umete wa train here for a long time. Wa produces graduates wa chire. Bona ande ko ire ni gosomye binte bigeni asemo mugani koyengera no mwanafunzi grazi aho koswa.
Turi koyengera ni. Omade ye unga collaboration.
Oh my goodness.
Onsarigo.
Yes.
Moko buaterana. Turushi como fos como te viegento. Nera manyete. Ake maete buya. Because system meringo ta ngwala ile research. Umwana bakoenda because ndo chi computer. Akore research. Mambe kero go chindu cho somi. Onyo na na kordak.
Na manyete.
Na ke maete. Bono assuming ile gato chi to ko research ya una mache. Ono go shoko kendo verify hate for hota you got to get into you.
Tenga mwalimu wajiri siko.
From what we did yesterday, mwalimu talibo berende na watu gane to beke bintega.
Oh my god.
So a system wenengi is the best actually. Usiko jerigereri if the government ye chinguru nechibesa. Is the best. Ndo usiko tora bantu bago cram
bintu.
Eto tora bantu are practical baga kore bintu. Proactively yani wanyore omwana bakore school ga ochake bintu byago chigari. It's the best system we are think tanga is nembere. It's the best because eye konyetole ero of amasomo okiramo GA minus but one yengo chiga to abantu gete bago shikoba ebintu and I have liked again don't care about Obaigwa department kero monta de mwana akore STEM.
Yes.
science na mathematics. Lakini egendo ke unga social science. That is the thing. Krenchoko siko mwe.
Abono mwalimu nganeti omuyiboli nale galia. For example my mom andake erero lire transition ye kuru 844 gocha somoro buli omujia. Omwana nko ndali skura understand the process. What is time? We have these different categories.
Social science.
Bono ngane to beke ngobu ya beka ngomu yuli byanga system yenyi tubwateke.
System yenyi tubwate bintu bitatu.
All right.
Tubwate STEM. Bono STEM ye traditionally ne goza kuleta wanyagitari. Ereta chinas. Ereta engineer. Veterinary and all that.
Yes, yeah.
Ereta barimu. Yani into review it for into bakora. But anything dealing with the management in social science. Onye go dede ko umurari.
Yes.
Social science.
Yes.
Lawyer. Social science. COA company.
Yes, social science.
Yani anything. And the one is social science is broader. Alafu ndo bwate the last one era unpopular, let me say. Etabu ativanto wange arts and sports, especially segusi. Ndo bwate viti.
Ina magana talents.
Akoro chuniro manaji wako mpira school kwa mama kama. Honestly ngata ndo kwa mata mu ga.
Nikira esku egetiali.
So wasegusi tota kwanda nyaburu tingwana gusi yankwana nyaburu. It is very unpopular because akitonya nda bana baje babere bo kana baro get interest na ande bagacha baka change.
Mia mono sana Mr. Julius omete kero to kana CBE o CBC okonyora ngondete yo manyete kero muntu ko ore tayari ko laniri tukaserinde.
Yes madam.
Na ukorigereria no moro kyo se no mwarimu obwate kirasi kiga gya CBE grade 10.
Yes.
Na boigo no bwata borokigwa abande bale form 4 ko somige songo.
Yes.
Bale form 3.
Yeah.
Oko somige songo form 3 yo. Bono aseri tukeri gonkonyorole eritukeri monkonyorole nkosomiore abaiga ba grade 10.
Yes.
Nande no bwata abaiga bare candidates bomorobe lyo
system nkoro.
Naki okonyara go operate aseri tuko kwa adjust ayebu no mworokia.
Preparation wise.
Bono Abongo wetu na computer. And otabe tibo no mundo kwebanga. That's why umwarimu agane go prepare and uga a lesson plan.
Oh yes.
A lesson plan bono negentu kiri watanga ki mambingu chinde magondo obokombe abrone ne chibuti. Nkuru agu ngushine kubutura chinsiaga. Obe kwa moro kando.
Yes.
So I get a city abrone chinech kwerende omoro kubika kando. So next I get a city lesson plan. Again to go konya bono basomia mana.
Yes.
Okubangana ki grade 10 again ngo chikwa for instance and drama neck. Aya form 4 nguchikolivesi a topic
Yes.
So transiting ndo temta bitini wate ndunga exhaustion. Exhaustion ngaki ngutorore ka break okweyanira Matildah tokwa.
Toru grade 10
bona kera toko njira teyo umwarimu bwibangete.
Yes.
Tokuru grade 10 directly also 844. Bakoike a department otigeke obugoli lesson plan yago obugoli lesson notes chago okay and the class only reflect your jack. Yeah. And then into where the oko review amangana igoro.
Oh yes.
So oko review amangana igoro na ba oko nyunda ki igoro na so metieke bono ko gende. So transition area ko ba puya ekere bwe bangete.
Yes.
Lakini ekere temanyeti akaberi okay. Akabo mwacho ganopi.
Andake kwarorire your colleagues omuntu kaguchandika usinonye learners bago complaining andake mwarimu gititari gutwira biya gose uchire ati yariganeti omete school ene nabuna nyaburu bakonyora abana bare competitive sana ande baganeti omwarimu ogocha kerobereti andake naki ekonyarekana ase engane yega gosena ki Mr. Kirokonyora nga colleagues bane bare bataraba ba cooperate korene mwancho montegere nawe umurigere to kunyeranga chinsemo chire cha Facebook ogendera gotonyora buna Getembe TV nabo igo chinsemo cha YouTube tunyore buna Getembe TV nabo igo nabo kunyara gusanga ekerengereri kiao gochaiga ase studio ase biro byabo no mambi ekero togenderete gusanga nere omwalu Mr Julius Enyako arakorwa ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu kuba mono tukurigirirya umuroberio obwose system ya masomo engia umuroberio OCBE nabo igo umuroberio oli omokoro erebuno morokia egati yali bagenderete gwetera nabo igo naboroki gwa bali ase skuru na kibakonyara kuba bagusanga Mr Julius
kwamba release waringa
yes andake colleagues bande kwa roli bakonyora challenges gusino yes. Nyina eri tukondire wachite kirazi mukaranga leraro bana bakongo
na asamba
yes
ebi asamba oh no
yes.
Abana funzi baito njengo kwa na Nyabururu asenje na wande na abana funzi watazaidi machezo
oh yes
sababu nyasana ndo abana funzi bangaini apart from ko bangaini mbama the rights chiavo
yes
barora gatwe bangeti mbakole merio ko lesa
baukani
ali ngonyoro mo mukiro excuse madam excuse what if again they go from this point ororo chira ari board again to gerio akabange iga abana bagachingo bi akemete bakagotebi that is why born on two every day what we are into school yetu ndobate department of briefing na jone injecho digari tomone waba abadimu ba languages
yes
na ninche nkolide abadimu ba ingibege songo gote bantori ngaki kindly prepare ibanga kogenda mugundu tonyole embarrassment
tieri obokombe bwa ukeke
tieri obokombe na ndebo no ntugari ntobwate ekereba mwarimu prepare ngoreta ibintu bya naligireri ngaki na kibire na ndu ndabono nche ngochinde na ande class na balimu that is our order alafu na incho umwalimu wa mankongira le class ngire ndore class na ikaransa mayaga na rochu ikaransa mayaga rango som kama ntainga ali
ngwaenda bya asinari ngwaenda busa amachense
aliwe amachabanse so ntubono ndore free kosomani na kumanya
oh yes
lakini this issue you would prepare is an embarrassment to teachers ndira kwenda pyo muntu agoja tawe ibangeti anyorire agoja tuobori kwende gyonzi ogenda nande esikoba mwalimu omonene bwe school ne deputy ne masomo tari aware abana bakomia and that is how the school which itabwati systems follow-ups yani umwalimu mete no mu science abata umwalimu amatabwati tago some buwe
na bebintu bigusalika
iskuru ekiwateri sati abange abalimu ngubwatu kubare umwalimu omonene obwati ki deputy ngaki na kiga asiegende ki deputy kyabwati kiecho dinga kiga asie echo dio bwati echo yasinga kiga asie echo yasi yasuguma abalimu na berego
abana baiga aba senior school
yes
obwa matabu abo with the higher students
bali group yabo bali group
so na mtoko tabangwanya for example Nyabururu lakini ebakali bintu byabo na bintu byabo
bali you know
there's no one
bana bali okay as much as toko waleta to again toko waleta amo ne kanisa lunch break na games
assembly na
mukeregendo ne kemo is one school under two schools because it was the senior school and the high school but we were senior school mbali go high school ababande bono high school the remaining two streams the classes that is from 3 to 4
and from 4
amune 8 for 4 ababono senior school manje they are senior abono from 3 to 4 bali junior saba
Yo bare high school
bare senior school
koranga igo mwana igo senior that's very funny
and you to believe ya omwana oyore grade 10 mbare bakorengere kuba muntu ore form 4 you can't believe
oh my goodness
that is it a system yenenge yapi osikole nyoro omwana ogo onye mobwata abana onyoro omwana obo sayo ore grade 2 na bali tu arenge class
no we have seen that in the houses
yes
in houses
bono abana aba obo mane bonyasaye na abana bebangete system yere ngubangera omwana okonga kiakili ndirokoranga abana aba none njere bakwebwata naba yabale.
So kuna possibility urusyo mwana senior school omuyire form 4 abu abana bali matemu
akoba bua because ebintu biri banga sayuse kwenda grade 7 eto akanyero kire standard 7 ebintu bakora boniga na bikokoro sayi boniga form 2 eri enkoro gone binde bichagete koru maega aya bono asengenye system ya baretire bako discuss na kwebanga banyore personality bono yogo kwana nabokurusu mwana gari achabedi gari
araba bande bale
amanager abande akobadewi bono ko yo grade 10 akomanage form 4 akobadenga focus. Yes,
senior.
So leadership actually okori abana bakago chimutumba tokonya if this thing can be sustained ana bakabatokonya.
Oh yes. Matildah.
Biamona sana na aborukiwa baiga ekiro nkagirete bale tisavia sana samangana technology.
Yes.
Abange babo konyoranga mbamanye pabwat obumanyasi amangana yemitandao. Andakina kimugo embrace amangana technology eno kuna bono eskuru bune ya Nyabururu na boigo chiskuru chindi chinyinge especially chichi kokora buna bono mpaka mangana STEM.
Oni ngoma edem nantu konya tuwada chilapu jia computer ibere. Chilapu vele chilapu chiko ko hold abana banga sana. One we were forced to add a lab emo. So we have 3 laboratories jia computer elinda abana all through internet yero bakole research because basically this is a research thing. So eskuru one tabu ati computer bego tore challenge
eskuru nje chitabwati pakestim
still on maintain serikali because good go system.
So you can imagine omwana okurunya Bruno omwana okurwe school.
No, for example, and to bona to generally to get school chons bono chia senior schools igo oganti tabanga iskuru ya senior etara ruli bagali ya samangana technology mitandao mechano niro
emenene. In fact bona obara so mi lecture 844
igana obago tabanga no bara samangana ni system bakire bali maiga
eri system ina era eri akini bono abana bara prepare.
Oh yes,
half baked bobego ani okuru kuma bobe chinto sababu igento kereke tagete a computer na principle simba maete boygo. So the only thing bara akore no gote yo mochuma to bekere stima aserikali to eji chi laptop alafu na baiboli bamente besanke batware chi laptop gale njere ndete yo bobisibone mboyo bosika no kuri manyo ote bigunga research
igemi to biri Matildah ali gukora university bado gono biri nda school
bone biri class ime nande bono omwana funse kerabo mate bari mbabu ati nga very good what approach meeting exceeding every answer ngoye turitire munarichi.
Oh yes,
kera ko tayire gendo kwa mubona ki
argument yana kere
chagera kwa rengereri
explanation.
Yes, because kagera to kwa tuli tooling the dunga abana ba to yansiri yagire limited te basa ko close abana bae baigore then you listen to what they say oh it's okay. In fact ya no nimbali bako amachibu bakaya wita yago
igama ngana ali gala to bana state bosa igote yo le state and explain
and expound and say why
andako mwancho muligereri egna umurali Matildah ati kagotaba andaka aye ekeroche system yenyi abana mbali gali ba grade 10 obali nyumba gagu no manye to mwana ogo eyo ndi naro form 4 na form 3 ine kwaralde michandende umwalimu wale gaiga system yenga kyuro chae abana abakuru system yitu arwetelia 844 na bono where do you think even to be achirabya wait bono gali nyumba na abana bakukwa ni bintu gete okubuliri swali pakoma itodo mwana timanyiti because actually you are forced to say you don't know
bono to gade to manya. That's why actually bono abaiboli ba bekerero kwa abaiboli.com
yeah digital parents simbi yora
njira teyo tatwale smartphone nyomba
yes
njira teyo bako tu ari sababu lera maso maete kale masomo arengo mwalimu Saya masoma aro moibori mana no mwana oe. That's why get assignment ile goja okunyandike no tendringo la romo kungwa go strain ngamante na kara sukuma. Akuburi guri swali geteliche taria aro kale kwa najisimi ata ngabona gambia tole
igasia chake
Julia sibona igana ndi asi aspect ya Bible engana nire nando konyora nga Bible mbaranda ke patobwati umanya semitanda umwana nare omenyire na buna bono maukoro umwana okonyora nga nonye gali nonye umuchi omugima go smart
simiteyo akimano ibaga
abana muna abaigana ndabo eskura go somere kenyoro andake nonye chi computer chiga andake bako chirora limoigo
akubona kumyankoro okubona it means bataga mebono mwalimu 100% etaribo ene system yetagete
etaribo
eyibone eyigo chikomisa sana
Tiango tugwibirengele by'umwana inchi ine ayenga kiro che system iga enya uno mwalimu ayereire ayenoro chenga ili akalenga kialingi na bono ili alingi byabo se mwalimu atabirenga system yise kogendera iko sawa airende talk to us. Good morning Getembe. Hello
Onsarigo.
Oh yes.
Macha bora kereya no siango manyinsa.
Yes.
Aya no manyeto kwanda mangana manga munaenda aramaya.
Oh yes.
Aiko nyenchenta manyeti.
All right.
Buna bona nchenda muboliga.
Mubolingo.
Sukuru echi private. Iwango so mibale ekegwango keria ye sukuru echi je serikali gose. Kakibono umwana yamwe nataka kumanye muna rombale kwango kelia.
Right, asante sana usiango manyisa. Biamono sana usiango manyisa kuruja bo mitembi yamono sana bono mambe. Good morning. Ubungi swali. Yes.
Imbu ato mocho korole grade 8 bono iga. Not grade 8, grade 9.
Yes.
Lakini iga korra bwata note simono. Yani kera note. Agendrete mono. Nande na iguote banga amangana amange bakwata notification notice na bakwa kwa lyo kaiga bana gose abere igo.
All right, mwalimu ngo kubekale bya
aya maje na aganyire.
Asante sana maswali ya abere ine chiskuru chi private nabo chi inchi bwate everything na chiskuru chiri chi national chair government of schools nabo igo boli morokyu grade 9 obwate a lot of notes Ebingo cholo kwiranili mbugulisi miendega iga 0741583878 nsamali endere 0726447367 talk to us ebirangali byago system wenkoro ya 844 ne igaboniga amachepa bago somya paka bachiro ko tutoring bayiranire klasime. What do you think ne lingi ya sokora kwago urochingi bintu byabire? Talk to us. Good morning Getembe. Yes. Namragani tena okoranga ya soire asata gwende tikigimati kambuli ya mayokaga na ire na somo alimwara ire nilingo ama swali yali osiango manyisa aboli 0741583878 my number gaige number inde 0726447367 ekero kwa 92 gaiga asensemeli ya one on one asensemeli boyo nabukulika ujumbe Getembe TV ensemeli ya Facebook Getembe TV ensemeli ya YouTube ekero ganiti gusanga nintu sebengali byago. Talk to us Getembe. Yes.
Onsarigo bwagire kwabogire.
Ebo kietebia.
Wono njege ntonda aboli chemina somete njiri jinkoro.
Yes.
Enjira na jiroche nabono nabereta bauti kera twagire digital.
Yes.
Inare koboria omuangwano yora abuga ngeko garo koigwa abaibuli abange bagote bagisemi kiabono kiasere ko Tanzania abaibuli nabana ngeko gera kiagera ya digital. Smartphone nkia kabero manyete nonye muri kamuisi na kikiacha taboni gikinde smartphone kiakire. Akiro konyora nona bana bangerero bagosomera muchando no ruriyo yo konyora bange bakungura nga mbarabwate system ye gisemi kinyibuya inki.
Thank you very much Monta kuruchiza mochebo basigari onyoni aka Miguna. Asante sana baba. Thank you. Daira na suru mwalimu. Maswali ya bera chire gama ya sana.
Maswali ya bera.
Tuchakini litangani.
Litangani anda banga private.
Yes. Comparing private and government.
Ayo private thing ya na bakonyole bwate materials ko bwana ne public.
All right.
That is true. But onye mbabwati onye tebwati ability yokure ebitabu ne computer.
Yes.
Nabona ande ku west yabana. I think I will be brief.
Yes.
Saying we collaborate. Yeah, no. I'm on that. That is true.
Yes.
Yeah, because my daddy, no, brevet, very sharp.
Yes.
Brevet, oneko bwati ngai systems chire again don't na advise you body you hold this way ekro mano ga private akaniri akore genteka mbare vale private ba kole biashara batari ko consider quality
ya masomo
yani umwana aro akwewa magisi amange lakini ability akora etayo na ndi bare ko ya private umwana agoja very sharp and theory okura konyora a as a system ya enkoro.
Oh yes.
Aya oyo ndoje private awanda max 400 lakini okura konyora d. So todo chemanga.
Yes.
Again to kenda abo notes za chinjirons njire system ya 812
no mwana yo kalikoleta notes bweka
yo no mwana mangai
asingi ya research
oino mwana mangai ke research sokorike made onyandire bono again ndokere bajite bakareta chobot munyo to tablet ke bajite.
Yes.
Onye bintu biri bitaba misused na serikali na abarimu bakaira angobono kero mwana wa the tablet ya madairi was very good angokero mwana sa ya wa tablet kae akanga mnaka computer iga no tia yako agor search type mo correct okacha obugori bono kacha kantu kali school but bono mata adu bakaira bintu biri kero mutakaira boy we went back nande kuri kachino sasa so asoko kachino so ino mwana muya kabisa kale kachino
na aseri boli rindelia gatatu abaiboli abange bagotanga mbara understand the new system ose curriculum ya CBE andako muchandonga yokulwera
Matildah.
Yes.
Tali baiboli naona serikali omondo be ku understand the CBC akwete Professor Magwa.
The founder.
That is the guy who understood. Because when school get ready, a syllabus here, changed it how many times? More than 5 times. Including this year, I change from CBC to CBE. Yani, nturanyora monto o manyete. Bakolet school no nelinta boroge the official documents yes. Bakona go change every day. Mwate urero ekena ande kebeke ga bagona go change. That this is again to kill on trial. Again take again yani kali tuko okona ko kikuruga
ikoninge tukuna kuegera kali
again tukuna kuegera but no kuegera oko njenkoranga ba kebekere kia very better why abaibuli ba complain number 1 obotaka waito.
Oh yes.
Maete kugura jibando gugura gaki jibando onya bari muchigo tosinya tugato moshana ndo manene akonya mutukuto bwa jibando.
So igo mwalimu on the same question Matildah ateba mu tegelia boli igo abaibuli aba bakorwa complaints talinga ne system irembe n'ebintu they need system
yere very expensive in one word erigoli
yekanetyo go ikosa emuguko
nande tagete omuiboli aso muguko mono number 2 omuiboli amanye bono onyore egendo nkere matira bodi matendara mwene lingaki abana bamete nangina kuru bono mamu mwabo akare koligi tato mwabo akoligi
yes
umwana wekerago cheru sanga yagochi
mwababa baba bono no ri o 744 yes
olio
miaka 80
mbao
magogoro oroje myake ajire
so bono konyoranga okumanyiko limu nago taiyo andako mweboli oyo obwatoreta esimi omwana oyo esimi yagotumia teriko ba controlled gentongere bono ngane goteba esiminere bono gutumia na bana amate bono babeire abana ba adolescents iga obugete kanga somare umwana ochire ebintu bya yesimi mari kwanyoro umwana bona akale bakore ebintu bingao esimi ibonere problem yok etagete close monitoring no umwana oyo none toko wa mate bono into our computers achire synchronized in a way tago so asite and
you can monitor.
No, tali ko monitor. Tago so site and on say tali chiri school.
Restricted.
Restricted.
Yeah.
The moment to ko nyoranga na so Facebook mbama edite punishment. Ago tene computer nya school. Bono mbago so. Ya mbago so. But onyole school bona bana batanga gende lab ande onya bana bakale ko watch ibintu gete bingao bangao. Erete distraction kido.
Yes, Mr. Julius, on the same abana mbale bare babwate talents chabo anamono asimitandao mbale bono buna kira tokurire ngonyorora abana bare guse no junior school guse senior school bare influencers sigari TikTok bare guse ne YouTuber bago create content andake kwarorire talent bune yiga Nyabururu na ekero bare ase skuru na kimoko baigeka buna borokiwa at the same time bare influencers with the
One Ntuma we are founded on doctrines cha Catholic. So much in it. Ngo discourage dora bana ngaki. Ama de TikTok ngo takere sometimes queer. Wakore bintu biri beyond human. Umanye go attract followers. And the bona bana bake go expose to the world. As bakonyora comments and from everybody and anybody. Now we echo effective birangarari byabo. Lakini ebenga account ne yo moyibori. For ndagete bono gukwane gente because imbiro ebenga account yo mwana yagotumia ne yo moyibori esimie ne ya go for example Matildah omwana ogona wate talent bacha kwa record kwa weka aikwana na monitor na kieko gen
for us
that is okay. Lakini ebenga esimie ne yo mwana oyo umwana no mwana akwana no akasha kumanya walimo ochire bedroom okore into biae asiko binyore mitandao oregasi obori gunake Onsarigo.
This is what you are doing.
Nyomba yawe ya ire.
Yes.
So even they be as much as this talent ndo ando matone kikusi matendo nga una kabira chindi.
Yes.
Ndo bwate maskania ito.
To chimbebe geto.
Bwata maskania ito. So akero mano ale understand oko enyomba yago tigakore content ya maskani lakini oko myaka 18 bono oyima tuno montore mwae na wanyole buogo myaka 18 ino monto manene na bona okore biaye munakortake munatakete. So a content creation is good because it can earn them matna akanyora bwato akonyoa chibesa or still school.
Yes.
Lakini neka neriko na maadili yomugusi na maadili ye family.
Nganeti bwana mwalimu Mr. Baswite
yes.
Ni mwalimu pia ni mheshimiwa. Sasa umuibuli narahalia omongina narahalia somogaka ekenepi system ye kwini karichi abayibuli bagoli chi smartphone ba abana babo gekora ku research etoko
lazima
bono lero ereta manyitinga konyora inchiranira ku mwana oye gakale no yigura ali ebarcon amwete abugete ningo so makale ibintu byakale today kwana ngo nabayibuli abayiga which process kyumwibuli agwente nga kyawente common to mwana oyo bono tu china ali skuru mwata mu bigete computer restriction inchirete bono ga linka omwibuli metera gato mwana oyo nga babanya yituga esibi yo enche na achire mugondo erogenda ama itene ni notes yakunya gukora
akoya
talk to them
madabana walero baleji.com
yes
akonyoro mwana kale TikTok mwana ale WhatsApp onyono mumura akakugamba na baiseke
yes
ono moiseke akugamba na bamura
yes
amasomo and as we tell our parents bago to school
yes
omwana oyo asoma asole na bakorero omwana kurubo singanga soma basoma
yes
lakini omwana wasomere room Aki tonasa merumu.
Ukale nyumba maega yenyumba.
Maega yenyumba.
Igetiro goro.
Ngare bedroom araire. Ngasoma. Diga mwana so mere sitting room asono nekero gwetaiga. Na bokora ngoyongo somare. Oyongo ngainare. So what am I saying? Omoibori atachide komonita. Injiro mwana gasoma. Akanyora omoibori akongaina. Ayo madongo mwana gasoma.
Ibona omoibori akanya kura bundles lakini bundles ni chia chatting chira.
Chira bindevi ngao. Ngao be in fact abana baskwisi bondo batubwiro ngaini. Boro njinimbo atabana.
Yes.
My first born at university second year. And in Badaka Musik grade 6. No Musim Makova the grade 5. Cremono de Simia. I have what. In the what I do, go by a minute, and do what the Wi Fi. Navigating Kia, Kia Okora. Oko misuse, Nagacho, Mitian Neta.
A punishment.
A punishment.
Yes.
I go to me and come that missing me. That I want to see. Nkia koranesi mi nkia research akala ni bono nchese njeto tendando mwali munda tebe na mde indikire composition ngi kwakara gigi kwara ne bone katuni ya watch katuni ngi ya batebe ndikira gantu getega onye nege mu wacheza ege mu yaye samara isi asokolika iga so tati umwana amanya ki kendi osingokora kubande tested koruo bono abana bakora mono na abana baisike
Matildah okuligereri sana.
Abana besike asenge.
Yes.
Umaide from biology. Umwana omwisike akiri aye gokina mono.
Of course.
Wangu.
Yeah.
Kubuga.
Umwana omwe.
Akiri umwana omwe. So omuntu bwato umwana omwisike. Atabeti macho akoya. Because bakwenda bwangu nande bono asengenje bakobe exposed nense. Madomo muranda bagotara bosabando mbabulke.
Of course.
Lakini umwana mwese kana kana ka miniskirt. Ama sache taoniga amaisare.
All right.
Nande bono kuno kurangeli gokonga. Umeta umwana mwese akurunka nyomba akolo kumam. Baba. Oike town.
Amalie town chureli.
Marie town churo kujakolo.
Anya comment ubwa nsugete.
Kujakolo kumada umwana ole form tu akolo kumadam. Na wasaja abe town ya.
Oh my goodness.
So a challenge nero aso mwana mweseke. That's why nyina mwana onyoro. Because ngina klota kanyara mwana mweseke. Taira isi. Unless ya ngino oromo ke one miaka. Lakini ngino manene. Halima no manu bakamanya nanti hai.
Oh yes.
Kwa manyanga kia kogenda. Na bokori yedinga ki mwana wenchira go piflero okoreki. Ochenchiri. Again, the yoke, mate, we book of it to a later and Bigokramo. No, quano mwana.
Cancelling.
Babambuya, Siminara and Guadicaru high in a sweetie, Mbuya, like in Carasso Maquans. Every beach of school in nature toko, Nebuate Miakaya, one of Aquatagar.
Bado ni skuru engao e yungo ikore.
Aya, again, the kind of honest, me, you affect to Mano Mumura. Even the baby are chitting a vieta.
Yes, chindagage.
Chindagage, kale kuwandos. Bona mwana mumuro beira mache. Okonyonga nenga nesi miare omwana obetiri. Bono magenasire kuri nyomba bintu bigosira ko chia bikombe muisi uchira woni bintu byago ona go bet. So a system we bonenyi aguno okay kubwate challenge.
Oh yes.
Onye teri controlled, you'll find you have a smartphone. But which is misused no mwano go ayachibe asoko mwa otebi onyene ntagati twatuma tusingi 200 umwana umurobeka asoko bet. So ya expose the abana to ebintu bitarengo kare.
Oh yes.
Now what am I saying? Omoibori ekanisa ne school, these three aspects chigo chamo
biwatera
twakonyire lakini tutawatira ntiamo okonyana tuasiriria wana pe because of exposure ya internet bitarengo kare kare mende mbiarengo ya mbiarengo siminchi arengo anonse unachendo unyonde simiane ntangani akarengo ande university 2005 entanga nande ri siemens
ya wataka irio
gete baba nende
wage Matildah nyikereti
ikirara ria
Matildah nyikereta ko nyuma
da komanya yani naona kero kubo made airtime
yarenge radio gete
scratch card yarenge scratch card
uko igora kurumaiga kamekero
uko igora iga and the cheapest was 500
to 400
de binga ngoko gore airtime ya 20 bob ndia rengo yarenge ribu na 500 ono koja kugorea time uko toikora moto
simi rio tari gobeka muguko kero muna bako manu bwate simi kore netu
netu ane bono akoro kana kokora teki koje bwate alafu igento kende bono chisimi echi chia mentro barebi
true
sabana akonyora umana tebiri umuntu ngaki yarinde mambi obugori omuzigori ona mboro mbede aza muziko ni nini ni vitabu nilimwambia jo ni lugha ya vitabu kumbe ni madawa ya kulevya so our especially the scholars man they on boarding they are restricted they raise ma barachi na semi school lakini the scholars can carry a phone mwana wako uri simi kurunga uchi school mwana wako uri simi kurunga uchi school na wabate challenge because wono gatia na wake biashara gatia utakarteki utamaete simi na bago tumia gotoroka ate baninga to enda sekete simi na bago waka simi ali bi kusamba ji school ba coordinate na waisi so the new experience yake bona goes bono system ine ya retre binte baka batuara the scholars or the day schools baka controlling aki don't come with a phone.
So as a teacher you want to say despite the fact that the system is good nengia lakini anibwa the demerits cha chibe
ebwa teme chande mengi because one might they go expose abana to a world Kenya to tarengo kare I don't want to njate you run away from where the world is. The world now is a village. Ali the kanya tange name tandai
technology.
Lakini bono toka ni ribono na into abaibori toka ande seminar how do we manage abana babake ne system we. Then things will be okay.
Okay.
Mbe mwana sana asa mwana maadili na kuigo kuigika abana buya anomono kunabono ase skuru ya banyaruka atebira abana banyaruka na bajiwaji sana lakini tari mangana ayebuna omwalimu kusebuna aborokia ase skuru nakimokonyara kwene kibuna abana baiga ku balance muri asa mwana abuna bono bo Kristo mbore ase skuru ne yanyabruru amangana games inchiraro yani ebintu byose omwana oli kirawo akorwe skuru eli kwanyoranga no mwana orabe kwa ndonsi gusora agenda ndonsi meyense akole abe nabantu bandi bya.
In fact, like last year we had a girl who was given scholarship to China after according the form 4 in tubo on the system a complete ndanyero okay election ya PE nyabururu mwana taka utigara class Evare PE.
Was.
Erinde banyore breather bakora masoesi ebintu bikubakonya. Ekanisa ntubono ekanisa ya itere every day from 7 to 7:30 in the evening. Ekanisa. And in the morning before they go to class there is a church. Alafu na Sunday. So that omwana oegu regardless of the religion matinya sana omwana to sabe omwana kirago kina omanya defia omanya ngaki yaya nyasane ro kurutsam nyasane ro kubanga oko provide and oko protect na woko bomngaini pi onye to bat nyasaya obebusa. That's why abanda ba genius okonyora abange batari kwenda kanisa they die very young. Get out research. These guys were extremely very rich and then they don't care about God, you know, they die very young. So omwana kana area manena ki nkuchinde konyo achibeza kana bero munyagitari was not very engineer but there is who ogu protect bono mu ai ogenda kanisa nani bona masoma ro aito ali seamless. If you miss a lesson actually to miss una bono ma aguanta mami dale go because my lessons begin at 8. My lesson go chaka 10 at Entanganere.
Yes.
That's why I was forced to come. In Tumuna Kwanyo read we have a breath of 5 minutes. Una Kwanyu Manafunsi or Chidabaka said department amache. You know Lego. That's Nicholas.
Kerotule ase ensemeiga. I know. Nkobol tule ebiranga byo munchu mulire nande babiri batatu iga kolingana na mangano mwalimu konaga iga onyoling in the studio mwalimu Julius Basweti Nyakwara aka Amache Papa na rushanga na ituona mambiga iga lakini your tax ni chingi sana samangana isemi na amangana iga new system education akatu kwa ni amangana poor performance.
Yes.
Maito ndiga kero montaka ntumugano yaite.
Asankero monta.
Nkiyeke kora tuarali skuru chiko koli bube abana bakugwa bube turule abana bandi mpaka yani umwana paka umwibuli stoka abana abayibuli batoje depression because umwana ulingu mungaini ugule. Now as a teacher and an educationist ninkige kuirira poor performance y'umwana is it korunyomba saba abayibuli na abalimu no mwana manyana.
Actually, performance is a science.
Yes.
Number one,
yes.
The one in the entry behavior. Ngaki mwana yarunse ocha high school, the senior school. Nkwane das ni nando nganjire. Kingo kwana with a lot of respect.
Oh yes.
Apo school mbere ba wakala abana matem kununsa. Na ndengo kwana with authority because we have seen them.
Yes.
Kero mwana watch the max 400.
Kalevi asara.
High school 400 yo moralia Onsarigo na Matildah.
Yes.
Omwana wanyo already ase school etari kwibera matemu na Nyabururu. So omwana ise go chana max 2 and I've seen omwana watch na max 270. School na renge nkoro ndaracha. Lakini aya school cha primary chitwa cha public chitoko chaya.
Yes.
In fact that is the best school. I'm telling you. Public here. Because I remember ati comment sukari.
Yes sir.
By comment mono hapana. Aya not all private chiko kwa interview. Lakini umwana ise go chana max CIA na chana max 28 ne liona 28 taso national school. Acha max ya tota 320. Mubuya sabili bana bakwewe. Ayaye. Umwana oyo bona grade system elienko akanyara airplane. So performance ebwate chipila isatu. Number 1 ne tageto moibori a provide resources.
Oh yes.
Omaete oskuri jiskuchi nyinge. Mwana amenyete para seyenje school fees. You miss one lesson Nyabururu poko recover.
Yes.
But mwana ogendanka obeno moibori week yengima. Omanya kwirana. Akayo na nokora kinandozo ogenda. Okonya mwana ya matuka mangale school. What do you expect garamanta mwaje? Sibakago. So a part yo moibori. Number 1, moibori tigakanya school fees in advance. Onya tai konyara tigachi bakambe no mwalimu school mwalimu manne school. Amateje ni chinyindanya enkoleta ose chinko. Elindo umwana yabere school asomiku. Aya number 2 moibori bakagole bitabo supporting books. Elindo mwana yakoraki asome. Moibori wenda amanage mwana kumwachi uniform elindo mwana tatwara law service team. Yeah. Matonya mwana ali ni changa chingo tu abantu ni changa chingi. Onokonya ro mwana akona gusumbuka ibirenge nakini nchenki ntakuri twisi esene chatiye.
Oh yes.
Yana yagotire una bana bayisike njamu system on galsa. Goza boys ni wangakira kama we don't care. 2 abalimu. If amwalimu to akosome mwana nakibona gweta. Omwalimu bakosome omwana oprepare osome omwana orivise no omwana omuprepare to a level omwana nya confidence agochiko face ya matem. And you'll find a few schools very well controlled learning tebuga timu elekeo. Kwanya omwana umwalimu agocho some inchirata gete kinde yonsi because bana mbama yeti ontayo kumubuli.
Oh yes.
Number 3 and the last one, school administration.
Alright.
If the school administration led by the principals, Mbago follow up what the teachers are doing, there is nothing you can get. So those 3 pillars nga if school administration ebe ke spotlight guns point hands on esabarimu Saturday.
Oh yes.
So awandao, that's why I mago cha general meeting area kwa once in a year. Ngoje bale boss. Those 3 stakeholders must meet once in a year. I chilengo kwa muri academic review. Whereby the head, the HOD, one of them from experience, I'm HOD, give them my report before the board, how the department, how teachers are faring on one, where the syllabus is, why in 20 streams, why 5 streams are doing poorly.
Oh yes.
And they're in the same school, same system, same what. Onye to sikuba toru report yeri unere na wakonyora kwa umizira abana banyasaya. Not that you which hunt, but you saying okay
without viva
amache tari go prepare kwenda class aguchu imokokoraki ogenda so amache na bwata banene bae deputy amuthenga ke amwalimu amache no bana ba prepare aya kuruwa ubona ke si those 3 systems chabe bana mbako result is a process.
All right.
Yeah, starts a process and but what are you prepare now I plan ko iver. Yeah, and the cheating is very expensive. Yeah, wana ka umuntu abate problem yo muntu lakini o baru kugora.
Yes, it's very expensive. True.
Tari qualified.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Alafu I have a recent case umwalimu staff umwalimu onega akanegita no mwana wa ando musani yogo iga akanegita ali no mwana wa iga marieta ndibono mboro marieta akodikulia ria ne mwana ne yakubona ndikatenga Julius nyakwara umwisi ona Samsele nyakwara so oyege miaka yae mwisi obate miaka 11 lakini same doctor akerako ako to review kwanyoranga amarioga aliyo yoyo oiroyo mondo narekin
No.
Yeah, so oko ibera matemu and then it will come to kill all of us. Kwa iberio mwana mbia obeiro munyakitari mbia ucha kokobete sindane wako. So performance, let it be merit. Umwana anyole si ere yae bado na baku succeed. Umwana anyole D+, bado na baku ende college, bado succeed. Yeah, but this thing yokonyoro umwana or when they go first to umwana anyole. You know, I have a case of mwisa wate a B+, a B, lakini akwende B. A friend yana kabisa akwende bike na mabori na yabo no yabantu nakugamba yakondo si school yako akonde town ya kombori wona kwande umwalimu mende angone school ndo wane gamoringi ngaki ngana akadama ngure school gete kanyole B+ kama tena yawono what I thought you had that atabu aringa mende rose WhatsApp. I can be the chief guest. Raise much, but I can promise 5,000. And I will give you interview. Tengo escuro pi.
¿Quién es que yo?
Tengo escuro.
Cartasi.
Madame me da acordar. Bueno, en Ore mbale kwa kono ne ngamata ne PA ngachikondo buskari ngatabunga kai kana university mwisho tu buchingi. So there is some bit of embarrassment by the end of the day. You will find tubwata bana bare ne grading ka akibatari go kura college.
Yeah, true.
Usukora research bono iga imichie menge Onsarigo.
Yes.
Tubwate abana bange batakole the colleges lakini baeded.
Yeah, true.
If you go back to the
villages.
The villages and investigate. Abayamba me those kind of Matildah. Yes.
All right.
Akuna kuyobona ke mwana uli ko bana nagira chute ngai unta akolete undinare ndo chieta kabeka naone
as a point you tiatonyo libirigeli mutegereri ndo chenga bangaraji akonga ene system yejisemi abayibuli nkole ngimo iguli nkyo mwalimu akwanderega emistanya kwara otegero mangana mangi sana. What's your take on these Getembe hello. Hello Getembe. Yes.
Ngoluziza mutaho mugirango.
Karibu sana.
Getembe liko korapi.
Ngakigwa kesimi go gwatubwatire boli.
Ya liko korapi timadinje mujano kurwao.
Asante sana, thank you very much. Asante sana. Tonya libe ngalibi ndeke 0741583878 yemo asemo mwancho muligeli ebirangalibi onibi ngencho kigma totebingo ine aje nkiruche system ejejesemi boniga Kenya uno muyiboli ebintu bimwalimu okwana kwabiralire mwana ogujire gali school no enyumba gwanyara chinga gijire mwalimu no abana kuchaka mwana harumo ngaini asekaratasi lakini uchikumuligili lyonyora talie bono mwibuli nabako kumenga mwana yone ngakibona ayetete igara gindo jitali mungaini ya
bono yangate I am a victim nche Madam Matildah I am a victim mwana one konya mabigete name withheld senche
to baise gwatali yetali
I am a professional.
Yes.
I know I am professional.
Yes,
very professional. Wana umewete sengwa kana 80,000 ndo moisio makogotire ndi norochi umwana mokenere bono adenga macha junior anyole foundation.
Yes.
Akini bono nchikuligereri nchira umwana assignment iganga akasinini tu kana iri komanya mwana grade 5 ole shuango ibakale komanya onyora atagete imotevi ona basenje district yake zibona moyigoli umusacha nando tename ndane bwali mno enyomba le nethenga nekwira bwali munyomba nanyora kwenda singina umunyagitari ngake mami sasa sio nionyesha hii ande juyo nukulia dadi hapana nkiboli sana ngankieke ngateba ya eke kandi school tukagaransa no mwalimu kama botende haki tari bo berendo yonde nyakundi yotarije kundi ko benda to mieri eteri bose ngaki umwana yegente kango taki understanding tore ntutoka no mwalimu ndegete mwana so mwana moke to bene boro umwana sindebseni akwande bonde ganchinchi nkaenda so mwalimu omanene kama tebi I have observed there is lapse umwana kirago cha matemu akanyora what 8 akini this assessment insa kende kortiki keyo bachiti ba improve ngande wono manyene director ya school manyene school nkamatairende abangwa nabo kuchikwaleta basomya abana kuja bali babwate bintu bya anyi babwate then bono increase system ekubwati ngaki lakini ningaranga I'm becoming a border ama diskuno yomanyene umwana no yone kamurusi nkamwiri public my boy born ali in a public school wakana 8 wakana 3,000 lakini let me now tell you
yes
the boy is sharp. Yes, the boy is sharp and the boy is confident and then about grass by that time when I was around 25 that but when grass was in that public school and them withheld and the boy is doing well. What I'm telling my listeners in Kenaki
yes
drama gymnastics nerensa
yes
embesana not all schools lakini nchiro basically for business na nchiko kubeko mwana ale buye bono kodero mwana oral examination assess yo mwana eweka orodenga ki exceeding yo man practically narrow onye teyo then there's a problem.
think you mwibuli legali. Me being one of the parents, nicho no ya muba wibuli. Kwa iguli nki mwalimu akwanire. Tutakole tibo ama chengo challenge. Ama okoya. Sate. Matilda, ndoje jiga kariko myoka ga. Yes.
Ngirita sengincho yebiro. Turaje gukolera sense mega. Narego kuruku pola tema. Agotebana good to see my brother and following from Embakasi.
Oh, ndio ya no Nairobi. Ndio ya kabisa.
Yes.
Omwesi ayone ana masomenti ya bakora nursing.
Yes.
Gari nyeri.
So your brother is watching you. Abantu ba Nairobi, thank you very much. Mbiamono sana.
Yeah.
Basi chinse machiricha Facebook. Ngiritinga na vangi bararo bagende tukusanga 90. Otatiga Mr. Nchendo chege ntonkire kyanko ngeire nimbwate okay, a sister or grade 6. Lakini umwana oyo gakobera nere nonye nyumba. Ani umwana uri ago njanda bakanateba. Abayibuli mpakariko yaetera. Umwana abata maswali amange bagobulinkiyege. Asumwibuli.
No, onyara maswali ya academic.
Yes.
Mbuya.
Kedi yosi akora kubuli.
No, imbuya. Oyibono, mato yibono definitely egas career. It is either agoja kwa omo judge. Omo judge osabo mu advocate.
Yes.
Omo judge osabo mu advocate.
Yes.
Osabe lawyer.
Because you define ile kwende ya.
Finally, mato mondore inquisitive.
Yes.
Amna ubona bachi kwenda baba judge. Lawyers. Such is CEO company. Yare, I just attend to her.
Actually, tutakuru mwalimu alafu tutachi kura liende ntokobuli samugeti another side of your life kidogo asinini bali kila sesa maesa ndaka se chinsomo chinde Matilda
oiga efundi ye power senior power so agotebana korwa chinsemo chirichia getare agoteba yuko tionde en aboigo Vincent Koremeno na aboigo oiga agotebanga mimi ni Joshua Munyancha korwa emonga rio siri nere yuko ndani mambake Ruth kwenye twanyolera bande the noise boy embogo na barabo chinse mochiria gusase mitandao oyeto yegerero naboigo na bange bali bagende tusanga andake uri utalikolika message lakini wete ayaiga mbya mono sana.
Now I'm a chepapa.
Yes sir.
As a teacher.
Yes.
Wetani mwalimu. Oitani mwalimu ngienge wano uche wako na you see wono kurabe rushe gotyo mwalimu
wono kerende mwalimu andake ndo kerenda mate say donga ye
yes
njeno mweburo choga burabu
oh yes
kenyoro ya kenyoro
yes
bokimonge god ano seito no ngiwaire no mongi na ariskeru no mwaka tweet inche no mureme kule mande mesi chinyin natugane chomba
yes
no mbwasi njino mweboliwa
igo wetani gubwate choka ne karamu na nigo soule gali buli kwara rusie chabu ye ngombe kwara
ona serious nani nimbwate ninduga chingoka and I'm a businessman even the vinsa kekerende yokomenyera eyo wetera ase about from that bona nini ndigete ngoli kande bitawo
litokeria uli akongere mugondo muntu ngo cyare mwagamba ebe yikwamonere
ndire ngotigere mongina ngabo yange but I cannot define the responsibilities than others.
Yes.
Yani even dombende ko mayari goli ngakibi agenda tigera olio tenera wakarabichi yako
ni Matilda likango cyare dobweli oko aga niko yunga boli amachepa banga ngo ni ali talking akiba bako niko chedebe
ego tigera mongena wakarabichi yako ebinde natigera my mom manage iri yakonyara so that nere ta kona ngo ngakere siminga makati
tomakeni
chengara makega sawa munarende
yes
ono bakabiri aga nere ko manager bwe I live there
ekatogokora abantu babo kingonge abali banyabururu abasandi baho abanafunzi bago your former students bonso bali wasomiri now it's your turn kuligite kamereli kwana barabu utoma maiga eligera tokole
Mbiamono sana asari bagari ya Getembe TV this morning and radio. As co-hosts, I wanted to say that this live I've traveled na menyire na bantu. That this live live with friends.
Yeah, true.
Listen to advice of friends. Lakini embero inchenande bone gento kende tabate ingeringa tindi kotwara masane wata stress. Yeah. Because what's called stress. I only want people who are positive. I can learn from them. They learn from me. On my students, I've taught many of them, and most of them are successful. I want to say thank you because it is through the Lord. There's one doctor I usually like, Dr. Justin Monyere. Kenda nyore problem and on the medical. Because the first boy I thought who was called a clean airplane. First one. In 2009. Dr. Monyere. And many more. Nchege ndunda de vya baigoli baiton kerina king. Ikyu mwana tagata koba. Na bakoba.
Yes.
The only thing is to believe, I work hard and have a discipline. I wish him one if that would be an angry
next time wakole turase vitabu next time wakole turase vitabu eligera tuchape bona mangani vitabu pole next time asabo niga bali banya burumba kuligera tigali bagosoke bagotabanga ga kiamache onyole that platform ya nationally and international to one channel.
So on behalf of the Department of Languages led by myself, Mr. Macha himself, our two HOSs, Mr. Ronik, Madam Naomi, Madam Edna, our friends, Jackery, Mr. Obueri, Madam Ruth, Madam Mary and the others, English, Mr. Rumba, Mr. Masomi and the rest, the chief principal, Madam Joyce and the administration. I want to say thank you so much for giving me also a chance to teach in a national school, a very good school.
Thank you.
Amaigane nto manya na Madam Joyce the principal na boko mwa Amaiga na boigo Mr. Brian Nyamwe mwalimu physics na boigo Mr. Albert Choi na boigo Mstaiki mwalimu boigo Swahili bonsi bakwani
bono nchau bonsi piba boiche bonsi pia kuna basani bane bako bueli bono ukifika shuleni waambie tuko salama na pia wazidi kutazama the only radio and television
in Kenya,
number 1
in Gusii,
Getembe Television.
Thank you so much.
Ekeunga.
Wasorubo
chibo ngeli bya barasara agukira gutokorera asebono mambia amachepa pana ero ngo mugini asenyumba bono mambia nkuru kwa Geoffrey Onsarigo ndoke GO the son of Suru mwana buliroba. Good morning. Thank you.
Nkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa onyorenga amachepa pana igale nande umwalimu ubwegesonga aseskuru yabanyaroka ya Nyabururu twara ubuligereyo bya nabayigo bategereyo bya asemero beliende kubwatia kubuatia.
Sie bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya uwanje Getembe Television